Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all well and enjoying the good state of health with the grace of Allah Almighty. Allah Almighty always blessed upon you and your whole family members. Dear students, take out your Grammar Today book and turn over the page number 68. Today our topic is conjunctions. From page number 68, part B, join these sentences with the conjunctions given the brackets. Number 1, I finished my homework. I went out to play. Bracket word after. Join these two sentences with conjunction word after. I went out to play after I finished my homework. I went out to play after I finished my homework. Number 2, Rabia has not written to anybody. She moved to Peshawar since. Bracket word since. Rabia has not written to anybody since she moved to Peshawar. Number 3, Columbus was looking for a route to India. He found America instead, but. Columbus was looking for a route to India, but he found America instead. Archimedes was having a bath. He had a brilliant idea. Bracket word when. Archimedes was having a bath when he had a brilliant idea. Our principal is quite strict. Everybody likes her. Bracket word but. Our principal is quite strict, but everybody likes her. Number 6, Edison never got discouraged. He had many failures. Bracket word although. Edison never got discouraged although he had many failures. Number 7, Kaleem was sick. He missed school. Bracket word so. Kaleem was sick, so he missed school. Kaleem was sick, so he missed school. Number 8, Arshad went for a walk. He wanted some fresh air because. Bracket word because. Arshad went for a walk because he wanted some fresh air. We did not have any sports practice today. It was raining. Bracket word since. Join. Use the conjunction word. Why we did not have any sports practice today since it was raining. Number 10, we played football. It grew dark. Bracket word until. We played football until it grew dark. Number 11, we could not watch television. We played chess instead. Bracket word so. We could not watch television, so we played chess instead. Dear student, part B, sentence 1 to 11 is your task today. You can write on your books as a homework and learn by heart and learn the conjunction words and its function also. Dear student, another part of your lecture is a letter. Second part of your lecture is today write a letter to your friend condoling her mother's death. Dear student, this letter write on your notebooks as homework and learn by heart. One thing remember, focus on the letters pattern. Let's start the letter writing. Examination hall, city ABC, 4th December 2020. My dear friend, Assalamu alaikum. May God be pleased with you. May God be pleased with you. I cannot describe in words how grieved. I cannot describe in words how grieved I was to hear the sad news of the sudden death of your dear mother. Sudden death of your dear mother. She was a pious lady. She loved me as her own son or daughter. May her soul rest in peace. I feel deep and heartfelt sympathy with you in your grief. With you in your grief. May God support you in this time of great trial. May God support you in this time of great trial. Amin. Yours sincerely, XYZ Class 5. Dear student, listen again. Letter to your friend condoling her mother's death. Examination hall, City ABC, December 4th, 2020. My dear friend, Assalamu alaikum. May God be pleased with you. I cannot describe in words how grieved I was to hear the sad news of the sudden death of your dear mother. She was a pious lady. She loved me as her own son or daughter. May her soul rest in peace. I feel deep and heartfelt sympathy with you in your grief. May God support you in this time of a great trial. Amin. Yours sincerely, XYZ Class 5. Dear students, remember, be careful to put the punctuation mark in each sentence and learn this letter by heart. Learn this letter by heart and write on your notebooks as homework. Wassalam.